The rocker step is one of the best moves you can use to freeze up your defender and create space for you to attack or pull up for a jump shot. The best time to use the rocker step is when the defender is playing flat-footed and standing still trying to figure out your next move. If they're waiting for your first step off the catch, that's the perfect time to hit them with that rocker step. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to shift your weight, sell the fake, and blow by your defender. When you do it right, you're going to make the defender bite every single time. There are only two times you really should use the rocker step. First is when a defender is guarding you straight up and trying to stay balanced. When a defender is playing you flat-footed or waiting for your next move, the rocker step is perfect because you can get them leaning without even dribbling. Second is when a defender is trying to force you one way. Rock your weight towards the side they're forcing you, sell the move with your shoulders and eyes, and then attack the same way to create space to blow by them. But before you do the rocker step, you need a strong stance. Keep your feet under you, your knees bent, and your weight ready to be shifted. This stance is going to help you sell the fake more without losing balance. Something you need to remember when doing this move is that low hips help you shift your weight faster and sharper. The rocker step all starts with how you shift your weight. I want you to shift your weight forward like you're actually about to attack the basket. That forward and back motion is the whole move. It's super important to sell that forward step with your shoulders and eyes so you can make the defender think you're actually going that way. If you really want to learn how to master the rocker step, watch Jimmy Butler. He does this move all the time. Pay attention to how he shifts his weight. Notice how he gets his defender off balance. I want you to study his footwork, timing, and body control. Learning from him is the fastest way you can master this move. When it comes to the rocker step, your shoulders control everything. Try your best to keep your shoulders squared and sell that forward fake with your top half. Remember this, controlled shoulders keep the defenders guessing. When your upper body looks like it's really about to drive, the defender has to react. That's why the rocker step works so well. When you explode out the rocker step, stay balanced. You should be pushing off the foot opposite to the direction you're going. After that, you can either pull up for a jump shot or stay low and attack the basket. Make sure you don't drift out. Attack going downhill, because if you don't, the defender will be able to recover. The biggest mistakes happen when players lean too far, shift too big, or fake too fast. The rocker step is not a big fake, it's a quick and controlled move. So small sharp movements are going to freeze the defender better than big sloppy ones. So once again, stay low, stay balanced, and sell the fake with your eyes and your shoulders. Small shifts beat big shifts every time. Also, you don't need to swing the ball out too much when doing the rocker step. Keep it controlled and let your shoulders and eyes sell the fake. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and also comment down what breakdown you want me to do next. Make sure you go out there and practice this move every day, and it's going to become one of your most reliable moves on the court. Peace.